Hi, I'm Neja, an Ayurveda practitioner, yoga therapist, and human values educator. Today, let us explore how Ayurveda's powerful detoxification processes, Purvakarma and Panchakarma, can help us unlock our hidden potential. Let's start with an analogy, the seed as a metaphor for human potential. A human being is like a seed full of possibilities and potentiality. Within us lies the capacity to grow into something extraordinary, such as just like a seed becoming a mighty tree. But often we don't reach this potential because something holds us back. Reflection, do that first. So take a moment. Close your eyes and imagine if nothing was stopping you, who could you become? What is the possibility you sense within yourself? Now ask yourself a question. What's getting in the way of that growth? Is it emotions like sadness, worry, frustration, anger, or even a lack of motivation or clarity? These emotions can block us from blossoming into our fullest potential. To understand and why we need Purvakarma and Panchakarma, let us look at understanding what are the obstacles to growth. According to Ayurveda, our health and growth depends on our ability to fully metabolize every aspect of life, not just our food, but also our experiences and emotions. And when we fail to do so, toxins or ama, whether they're physical, mental, or emotional, accumulate, clogging our physical and mental channels. These blockages prevent us from nourishing our inner potential. The impact of mental toxins can create emotional imbalances, confusion, lack of confidence, anger, or difficulty making decisions. When our mental channels are clogged, the heart and mind lose their natural connection and we feel stuck, unable to grow. The solution from Ayurvedic perspective is cleansing the system with Panchakarma, which is Ayurveda's elegant detox process, clears these physical, mental, and emotional toxins, creating space for growth and healing. But before diving into Panchakarma, Purvakarma treatments are essential to prepare the body and mind for these deep cleansing practices. So let's look at the benefits of Purvakarma and what is Purvakarma. Purvakarma is the preparatory stage of Panchakarma. It softens and mobilizes toxins in the body. Think of it as loosening the dirt from a carpet before vacuuming. This step ensures that the deep detoxification of Panchakarma is safe and effective. Some of the key Purvakarma treatments, along with their benefits, are like number one, I will talk about the snana or oleation. So the process is application of herbal oils both externally, can be internally as well. And the benefits are that it softens the tissues, improves the flexibility, and mobilizes the toxins for elimination. So, just as oil nourishes and restores shine to a machine, Snehna is a nourishes the body and prepares for its renewal. Next is herbal steam or Svedana. So, process is warm herbal steam, opens pores and promotes sweating. We have two different kind of steam here. So it relieves muscle tension, liquefies toxins, and lets the oil go deeper. So imagine the steam gently opening the pathways within you, clearing blockages and revitalizing your energy. Another one is Kati Basti is another treatment that we do, which is lower back therapy. And the process is that the warm herbal oil is applied to the lower back using a dough ring. And benefits are typically that it relieves chronic pain, balances vata, and supports a spinal health. And this therapy not only eases physical discomfort, but also restores stability and grounding in life. That is what people talk about. Another one is Shirodhara, which is the therapy for the mind. And process is that a steady steam of warm oil is poured over the forehead, and typical benefits are it reduces stress, improves sleep, and balances the nervous system. Shirodhara creates a sense of calm and alignment, helping the mind connection with the heart as well. And so, what is then Panchakarma after this Purvakarma? Why is it transformative? There are 5 actions of Panchakarma, which literally translates to 5 actions. It includes Vamana or emesis, Virechana or purgation, Basti or enema, Nasya or nasal cleansing, and Raktamokshana or bloodletting. These therapies are tailored to your dosha and imbalances, providing deep cleansing and renewal. But not all of them need to be used for a person, and some of them are not even practiced or available here in Australia. So, what are the comprehensive benefits of Panchakarma? Which is the detoxification at the body at the cellular level. It strengthens immunity and balances the doshas. It clears mental toxins, improving clarity and confidence, processes old emotions and beliefs, allowing for emotional release, supports the nervous system, helping you feel grounded and calm. And it's a holistic approach. Panchakarma is highly individualized and it addresses your body type, imbalances, age, and even digestive strength. It's not just about cleansing, it is about rejuvenation and rediscovering balance. And why do we need to choose Purvakarma and Panchakarma? It is to rediscover your potential. When toxins are released and balance is restored, you can begin to reconnect with your inner potential. You are no longer weighed down by the physical, mental, or emotional blockages. Instead, you become free to grow into the person you're meant to be. In fact, that is the biggest reason our regular clients come here for. And now imagine stepping into your possibilities like a seed becoming a flourishing tree. Ayurveda offers this gift of transformation through Purvakarma and Panchakarma, enabling you to reset, rejuvenate, and revitalize your higher self. So, what's next? If you feel ready to release what's holding you back and step into your potential, Panchakarma could be the transformative experience you need. But for that, consult a trained Ayurvedic practitioner to create a program that is tailored for you. And if you find this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on Ayurveda. And ready to get started your journey, you can book a consultation with me or consultation for your Panchakarma treatment or come and get education. Look forward to connect with you. Thank you.